BECE, 1997, Section B, Question 1. 1a. If P equals to 4, A equals to 16, B equals to -5, and C equals to 3, evaluate P squared minus A minus B into brackets, divided by C. 1b. Solve the inequality. 5x minus 3 opening round bracket x minus 1 closing round bracket is greater than or equal to 39. Illustrate your answer on the number line. 1c. If x equals to -3 on 2, and y equals to 4 on -1, find I. X plus 2y. I. 3x minus y. BECE, 1997, Section B, Question 2. 2. Using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, A. I. Construct a triangle ABC such that AB equals to 8 cm, angle ABC equals to 60 degrees, and BC equals to 8 cm. I. What type of triangle is triangle ABC? 2b. Construct the bisector of angle BAC to meet BC at D. Measure AD. 2c. Construct the perpendicular bisector of BA to meet AD at O. 2d. Using O as center, and radius OD, draw a circle to touch the three sides of the triangle. BECE, 1997, Section B, Question 3. 3a. If 2y minus 5x plus 10 equals to 0, find I. Y, when x equals to 2. I. X, when y equals to 5. 3b. I. Using a scale of 2 cm to 1 unit on both axes, draw two perpendicular lines, OX and OY on a graph sheet. I. On the same graph sheet, mark the x-axis from -5 to 5, and the y-axis from -6 to 6. 3b sub-question I. Plot on the same graph sheet, the points A, with coordinates 0, -5, and B, with coordinates 4, 5. Join AB using a ruler. 3b sub-question V. Find the gradient of the line AB. 3b sub-question V. Measure the acute angle that the line AB makes with the x-axis, using a protractor. BECE, 1997, Section B, Question 4. 4a. The table below shows the distribution of the ages, in years, of children who were treated in a clinic in a day. The ages, in years, are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And their corresponding frequencies are 6, 4, 2, 3, and 5. Find I. The mean age. I. The modal age. 4b. Draw a bar chart for the distribution. BECE, 1997, Section B, Question 5. 5a. The volume of a cylinder is 220 cm cubed. The radius of the cross-section is 2.5 cm. Find the height of the cylinder. Take pi, equal to 22/7. 5b. Each of the interior angles of a regular polygon is 140 degrees. How many sides does it have?